Well, my work has been rewarded. The X68000, the monitor's working. It's looking pretty good. There was bowing coming in on here and here, which I knew was capacitors. So what I've done is I've actually replaced pretty much every single capacitor. There's one or two in there, one's with the line, one or two with lines, but I've replaced every capacitor. What we did find, and I found, and we actually nearly had a bang, was one of the capacitors was round the wrong way. And the reason it's round the wrong way is that the actual silk screen printing on this side was different to the for the positive and negative connections to the one on the underneath. So there was a 100 micropuff capacitor that pretty much bulged and was smoking. But otherwise, it's actually working really well. And this monitor has taken me 18 months. I have avoided this monitor because I really don't like it. I don't like the design. I don't like the actual working on it at all. And I did fix it a bit 18 months ago, and it died recently, and so I took the plunge and went for it. So yeah, it's a very complex monitor. It's a Japanese monitor. What is it? Sharp CZ 1614D. So it's a TV and a monitor with multi-sync or triple sync, 31, 24 and 15 kilohertz. There's absolutely no service data for this anywhere, so we were on our own. But yeah, that's really good news. Very pleased with it, and it's a very stable picture.